Hello friends and family, it's Tia. I just wanted to give you a kind of just a little quick tour of how the van is now that I have lived in it for 7 nights. So while I was gone, hold on a minute. Okay, as you can see from the front, I keep, multiple cups up there. That way when I'm at a truck stop going to sleep, people don't know if it's just me or, somebody, well, if it's one or two people over there. I started out just having like a bag of, let me help him do this because I don't want this video to be long. I started out having just a bag that had these recyclable bags in it and my medicine bag. But now, what's down there now is my ponchos that I had when I initially had them hanging up back there, and I didn't like that. It just felt like it was too crowded. So each of my ponchos, except for the purple one that I have on now, is sitting in each of those bags. And of course I covered it up, so if someone is walking past my van at the truck stop, they wouldn't see anything and think, it's presents or, something in there. And of course, it's just still got my coat. It's actually a dark blue coat. I just picked up this bag from there goes some Pringles, but from Family Dollar. Here's my Mr. Teals because I need to soak. My back hurting and everything else because I just drove from east of Georgia all the way home. So I'm exhausted. So let me just give you, okay. Just a quick tour of what it kind of looks like for now. My bed, this is the blanket that I normally cover up with. It normally is up here, but for some reason after a couple of nights, I don't know, my back was hurting or something. And once I folded it up and put it up on the sheet, oh shoot, I was good. I have my other blanket over there in the sheet that I covered up with. Underneath here in this area, in this first area right here, at first it was those cubes. Let me see if I can find one right quick. Yeah, it was oh shoot, let me hurry up. It was like 3 of these folding cubes that had stuff in it, plus that other brown cube right there that used to have my folding potty. Of course it's not there now because that trash bag is in there that has my dirty clothes. So that's the only thing I'm going to be grabbing tonight because I'm tired. But it also allowed me to put my little cooler right here next to it, except for when it started expanding the last couple of days. And the cooler just kind of sat right here in the doorway because actually on this trip, every single night I never got out the front seat and went through the side door. I always climbed over. There is a video on that somewhere on my channel. This section right here, of course, this basket was full. Okay, my salad fell down when I whooped up in here. As you see, I'm tired. This basket was full of all my clean clothes, and I just got a few things left in it. This space did have this Walmart recyclable bag in it that had, like, my undies and stuff in it. So what's left clean is in there. Of course, there go my Lucy light didn't fail. It hangs on this little hook. I have this one, that one. And over there is 4 of them. I know I'm going fast because I'm tired. That bag, of course, still hang there. It kept falling. I guess I'd be sleeping wild because I'd be kicking it. My little strap, I use this a little bit. Of course, this 5-gallon bucket, I already got a video about that because my collapsible toilet had to replace it, but I kept the top because it actually fits on the 5-gallon bucket. And actually I got me a Lowe's camouflage bucket, not the blue bucket. Everything else, that bag I probably won't take again. That's just has miscellaneous stuff in it. That bag over there is a project that I did start, I didn't finish. That still has some towels and stuff in it. This project, I started it a little bit, didn't finish. My big one over there. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me go to the back. Hold on. Okay, I'm using my Lucy light so y'all can see. This pouch right here, this red pouch, it has those little onesie jumpers that I made for the cold. I actually didn't even have to pull them out at all. This is the bag that carried that, like if I go to Planet Fitness, this is what I had used. Most of the time I did wash-ups in the van, but I did use it. Okay, this is of course my I didn't use anything over here. Of course, there's the bag that has my my emergency stuff and, you know, just medicine stuff. This is the big old bag that had my projects in it. This is the project I told you I started but didn't finish. That is what I started. I thought I would be finished with it by the time my birthday got here, which is today, but I didn't, so I'll let y'all look at that once I finish it on another video. So I didn't finish that, plus another project in here that I didn't even get started. Of course, I used some of my water. Usually my water has a little cap on it because this is just like overflow water, but I did use some of this. I don't have one of them USB, you know, that some people in van life have. I had gotten this pump. This is what I've always used. I usually just kept it in a drawer, and you just push it down, and of course it, you know, it water come out, but right now it has this little spout thing on it, and see, it just, you know, it just fits right there. That was pretty much it, just for this little quick tour. So I just wanted to show y'all kind of the state of me living in it for, you know, 7 nights, and just kind of throwing stuff, or yeah, as I'm living in it. So thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm tired, exhausted. Driving all these hours I'm ready to go lay down. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, Happy New Year. Happy birthday to me. Happy New Year to you. Bye.